I got me and Captain Darren decided to come and do us a few nights on a houseboat. And tonight we're gonna start it off with a couple of little steaks. While I'm doing the cooking, you got the Miss Darren doing the fishing. And she done caught one so far. Nice little collarbone sized catfish. Peaceful out here today. Not too many people out though. There we go, guys. Good. Well, we're gonna enjoy our dinner, and we're gonna go sit outside and enjoy the cool breeze. What you got on there, Miss Darren?
Feels like a garfish.
Get him in. Yeah, little garfish. Morning, y'all. Playing the smart this morning. I got the Miss Darren cooking this morning. What's she cooking? Oh, look at bacon fry up. Oh, she got the eggs out. Hey, we're gonna have us a good breakfast, guys. Look at her with them sunglasses on early this morning. Oh, don't that look good? You're gonna eat good this morning. Ought to rob me a piece of that bacon while she ain't looking. Alright, y'all. Right down, I got that old breakfast cooked up. And man, let me tell y'all, that's looking good. Lovely Miss Darren on the deck with me. Yes, indeed. Sitting on the houseboat first thing in the morning. Eating breakfast on the front deck. Listening to the birds. And enjoying our day. Alright, y'all. Hey, y'all, we're gonna go do us a morning fishing trip. Come on, Tucker, let's go fishing. Let's go, boy. Water's still a little bit muddy and everything, but I think we still want to try and enjoy ourselves. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's go. Well, guys, this little place looks like it's a bust today. The water kind of nasty. Still a little bit on the hot side. There's that big nest right there. We don't want to make them mad. Well, guys, it looks like fishing today is a bust. Water's still too hot, muddy. I guess we're gonna head on back to the houseboat, throw some catfish lines out, and maybe have us another cup of coffee. Let's see y'all later on. Alright guys, tonight we'll have us some steamed broccoli. And with that steamed broccoli, we'll have us some grilled catfish on the barbecue pit and some grilled salmon on the barbecue pit. Looks like we're eating good again tonight. Alright guys, check this out. Broccoli, catfish, and some salmon. All cooked on a barbecue pit. That's that catfish that Miss Darren caught. Well, she's done a good job on catching that catfish. Alright guys, might be a little bit early yet. We're going to check and see if the mayflowers are ready to come bomb this lake. Let's see what happens. Start to get some bugs. Still got the mosquitoes coming though. Yeah, still a little bit early for them. But I tell you what, they're gonna be out later. That light sure got the mosquitoes happy though. Well, we're going in the air condition, and we're gonna let these bugs have their light. Alright guys, just to show you how well the light works. No mayflowers on the deck. Look at water. Millions of them.